Here is how to reset YouTube recommendations on mobile. So first of all, open up YouTube app and then go to your profile, tap on You at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're here, you should tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Well, next step, tap on your data in YouTube. Just wait when you log it in, then scroll down a little bit and you will see YouTube watch history. You should tap on this little arrow over here. Once you're here, you should scroll down. In the very bottom you will see manage history. Proceed to it. Next step, under this specific location you will see delete. Tap on delete, then select delete all time, and then to confirm it, tap on delete at the bottom right corner of the screen. It will delete your YouTube history and of course reset your YouTube recommendations on your phone.